If the pool is the soul of my yard, then the lighting is the finishing touch. Even the most well-designed yard is dark at night without lights. I bought 328-foot warm white light strips previously. However, I didn't test it before installing it, which led to the discovery that a few parts of it were not lit after installing it. I learned my lesson this time and powered it up first to see if it was defective. The next thing we're going to do is secure the light strips. I chose to tie it directly to my grill with cable ties, which was easier. Where there is no grill, we use the supplied clamps and screws. I wonder if we'll have a nice dinner tonight if I fall.